GPT to give me a recipe for dog biscuits, and I made it, so here are the results. 1 cup, 2 cups whole wheat flour, about half a cup of peanut butter. Make sure it has no weird additives in it because it's for your puppy. And I'm going to measure with my eyeballs and not a measuring cup today. I'll put it in a measuring cup. That way, if I put it in a measuring cup, I can't make excuses for if the recipe fails because I followed it. She's like, I never get peanut butter at this time of the day. 1/4 cup honey.
Whoa.
This kind of looks good. Let's see. Will I stick together? Used about like less than a half cup of water, like between a third and a half cup of water. This is going to vary depending on where you're located and exactly what flour you're using. I'm using whole wheat flour, so let's just try a little ball and see how that works. I'm using a guided rolling pin on the 3/8 of an inch width. Cute. You like it? Mm-hmm. We just finished baking the cookies, and now time for a taste test. I mean, they're very plain. Very plain.
I would eat that.
I wouldn't.
It's not great.
And there's like no flavor.
It's like a Nature Valley bar. It's not great.
With like no flavor.
Yeah.
All right. Freya. Sit. Yummy. A little I'm gonna make them a little thinner next time. These are really thick. But I would say based on the drool, she approves. Baking dog biscuit.